The 7th of May, 2025. It began like any other spring day. Suddenly the clear skies above Pakistan wept. Missiles rained down, unexpected, terrifying. India stated its targets were militant camps, yet ordinary homes were struck. Civilian lives were thrown into chaos. A day of sunshine turned into a night of fear. The attacks reached deep into our land. Families huddled together, praying for an end. The illusion of normalcy was gone. A long night began for Pakistan. 31 precious lives were extinguished. These were not merely statistics in a report, they were mothers, fathers, sons, daughters. 57 more people suffered injuries. Each life lost is a universe of stories. The human cost was immediate and immense. Hospitals meant to heal the sick were themselves damaged. Schools where children learn and grow were broken. Mosques, centers of community and faith, were scarred. Many families were forced to flee their homes. They left with nothing but their lives. This was not just a military confrontation, it was a profound human tragedy. Pakistan's armed forces rose to defend. They bravely protected our skies and land. Reports told of Indian jets being downed. Invading drones were neutralized by our forces. The conflict raged for 4 difficult days. Our defenders stood firm against the threat. They showed courage and determination, protecting our nation from further harm. Amidst the chaos, something remarkable shone. The unbreakable spirit of the Pakistani people. Neighbors rushed to help one another, strangers offered comfort and support. In the darkest hours, humanity lit the way. This inner strength is Pakistan's true power. Those 4 days left deep scars. They taught us a painful lesson. Conflict brings only sorrow and destruction. Civilians always bear the heaviest burden. Their lives are shattered, their dreams deferred. The price of war is too high. There is an urgent, desperate need for peace. Retaliation only creates more victims, more anger. We must choose dialogue over destruction. The resilience of the Pakistani people, it is a beacon of hope for us all. This same strength can build bridges of peace. We must walk it together for humanity.